Have you been searching for a video on how to cook lobster on your Tembo Tusk Skottle? Well, look no further. This is that video. First, I have prepared the lobster tail. I put some Old Bay seasoning on it. I cracked the shell completely off except for the tail. And I am going to next take some water and put it under here because we're going to steam cook this on the rack. You want to preheat your Skottle. It's nice and steamy, as you see. Next, I'm going to put the lobster tail on. And then I'm going to start with some garlic butter. Brush it on. Get it in there good. And then put the Skottle lid on. And about every minute, I'm going to take this lid off, check it, and put some more butter on. Okay, it has been a minute, so we're going to set our lid to the side. You can see that big old lobster tail is now starting to puff out a little bit. Shouldn't take long to cook this thing, but you want to make sure that you keep plenty of butter on it. Should only take like maybe 3 to 4 minutes to cook this completely done. All right, so we'll wait another minute. Okay, another minute has passed, and we're going to check it again. Put a little more butter on it. It's starting to look really, really good. You can keep an eye on your water too to make sure you got plenty of water in here to keep it steaming. I'm going to add just a little more water before I put the hood back on. All right, now we're going to put the hood back on for another minute. Okay, this is the third minute. We're going to take the hood off. Grab us a fork. Poke it, see if it's almost completely done through. So about another minute, but we're going to brush some butter on one last time. I'm also going to add a little more Old Bay seasoning to it. You could also put more Old Bay on it when you take it off if you like. All right, this should be our last minute. Okay, our fourth minute has passed, and it is time to remove the lobster from the Skottle. It is looking really delicious. So here we go. I'm going to brush a little more butter on it. And then turn the Skottle off so it can cool, and then we'll clean it in a little bit. All right, so I don't know if you can see close-up of this beautiful lobster here, but it is done all the way through and ready to eat. Thanks for watching.